What's up, y'all boys? Modz is back with another video. You know what I'm saying? Today we got my headers and test pipe installed today. Got my nigga Rose with me. Hit a link to his Instagram right here. Check him out. Yes, sir. We're gonna put my car up on some ramps right now. So, let's get it.
Yo. Whoa, a fucking front wheel drive car. Why your shit keep rolling backwards?
But check out these headers, y'all. Look how shiny those is in the light. Now imagine this in my freaking Honda, bro. Like, look at my intake. Now I got the short ram on there, but look. Oh, that's gonna be nasty. But yeah, they give me hold on, put these to the side. What's that? That's the test pipe. They give me a gasket and some bolts put on there with the coupler, and then over here's the test pipe, the high flow exhaust. When I get that out the box, that's gonna be the first thing that goes on my Honda right now. That's why I put it on some ramps. I'm just letting my engine cool. You know what I'm saying? Get the old stock cat off and go catless with a high flow exhaust. I can't wait. Alright guys, well, I have to take my test pipe to a shop because unfortunately when I was underneath the car, the 3 bolts where the connects to the cat and the resonator, they were hard to take off. I guess they were seized, so I'm gonna have to take it to a shop, get it done for me. So unfortunately I can't do that myself. I need a real shop to do it for me, so I'm about to go head up to this Muffler shop and get it done. I'll let y'all guys know when I get up there and keep y'all guys updated. All right, well, I'm here at the shop, you guys. It's right there, you can see. I'm about to go see what they guys can do for me with this test pipe or high flow exhaust pipe and see what they could do with taking my stock cat off. All right, you guys, I'm back from the shop and they just put my test pipe in. I kept my stock headers in there so I can put my headers that's in my trunk on there. Yeah, so it sounds super loud now. Like, I'll even show you underneath what it looks like. You see it right there? That's the resonator. That's the flex pipe going to the resonator. But that right there in the middle is the high flow test pipe. He had to weld a bong for the test pipe because the one that it comes with, where my O2 sensor is, doesn't reach, so he had to put one on there so I won't get the code. Alright guys, so this is my stock cat right here. This is what I took to the shop, my car to the shop, and they took this off for me. I can show you where the bolt flanges is right here. Let's see if y'all guys see that. That's where the nuts was. It was seized on. I could not get them off at all, and I could tell they were real rusted. Yeah, so that's the stock one. And I got the test pipe on there. That's the cat. Alright guys, we got my car raised up on the ramps. I'm about to take out the stock headers, about to take the heat shield off, and here's the headers over here, the DNA. Got the heat shield off. Those are the stock cats. The stock cats don't even look that bad. They look like good performance cats. 4-to-1. Nice. I'm about to upgrade them with these DNA motoring headers right here. These bad boys. Look how they shine in the light. I got the stock headers off from my engine block, and I'm gonna do a comparison to show you what the new ones look this is the old ones. You can see that the tubes, piping tubes, are bigger than these ones right here. You can see they're smaller, but they kind of look similar. They're both 4-to-1 headers. It's nice that Honda made it like this for stock, but these are performance headers. These are the stock ones. All right. So I'm taking off the old gasket, and I'm gonna give the put the one that DNA provides me with right here, with the gasket, the coupler, and the bolts. Alright guys, so what I'm doing right now is I'm cleaning the mating surface for the headers that go on. It's important that you clean it, because if you don't, you could get potential problems in the future, like exhaust leaks. So you take your supply gasket that they give you, and you put it right here onto the fit it in where the studs are, like that. And then you take your manifold or your headers. Make sure to put your coupler in or your gasket onto this part right here, like that. Okay, it goes like that. It goes like that. Take this out. And so I'm using the same bolts that I used on my stock headers, and I'm putting them on the new one. And you want to use the same bolts for the heat shield to go into these empty spots here where the heat shield went. You don't have to use the heat shield. Make sure everything, the gasket and everything lines up.
Yeah.
Good morning, you guys. Back with a recap on my header install and test pipe. I told you how the test pipe looked, or showed you, sorry. And I'm about to show you, or tell you a recap of the headers. I'm about to show you what the headers look like right now. So the headers turn color, but I actually like how it looks from a distance compared to my intake. Well, I thought it was gonna just be like the intake color like this, but I guess the heat changed it. It's stainless steel. It's not gonna rust or nothing, so everything turned out good. The only problem that I experienced was that it started to smoke on me because of using this engine degreaser called Gunk's engine degreaser. So I suggest you guys don't worry if you use that, or if you use brake cleaner, that'll work too. I sprayed WD-40 on, or like for the rusted bolts and nuts, so I can crack them loose, but that doesn't make it smoke. The engine degreaser was what it made it smoke, because when I cranked up the car, it was running for a few seconds and then it started smoking from right here, and I was scared to think that was an exhaust leak, but it wasn't. So don't worry about that. That's normal. It went away and now my car runs fine. I need to clean this up. I didn't clean it, but I do like the look of it on my engine compared to the stock ones that I showed you guys. So yeah, I crank up the car and y'all guys can listen to see how it sounds if you want. So I'm about to go crank up the car. I must warn you guys though, my car does sound very, very loud now with the headers. I have a catback exhaust that I ordered and it's gonna be coming in. That's gonna be a surprise for you guys. This I can't tell you what brand I got, but I'm gonna show you when it comes. Trust me, it's gonna be nice. I just want the car to sound less quiet because it sounds very raspy right now. When I show you guys, when I crank up the car, and it sounds very, very raspy, but let's crank it up. Cranking up the car right now. There you go. That's alright. Now the car got quiet. Overall, it looks very nice. The piping for the catback exhaust is gonna make it match up with the test pipe. Right now, I got a small exhaust tip. It's very small. I went to the shop and the guy was like, "It don't match up. You need a bigger muffler, so to make it less quiet, less raspy. I mean, more quiet, less raspy." Sorry. All right, you guys, let me hurry up and finish this video and get back inside. It's super hot, man. I'm sweating, as you can see. But anyways, I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel at MG Modz. And don't forget to never stop modding, guys. And trust that process. The next video will probably be a catback exhaust install. Probably going to take it to the shop because the hangers that's underneath my car, when I was taking a look at the test pipe going under the car to replace the catalytic converter, I noticed that the hangers were welded on underneath my car. So I gotta go to a shop to take that off and actually put the performance exhaust on when that gets here. Other than that, guys, thank you for tuning in to MG Modz, and make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you also hit that notification bell, guys. Peace out.